Are you on a quest for self-actualization? Are you actively pursuing happiness and striving to become the best version of yourself? Then you're in the right place. You see, today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of biohacking, and specifically how to optimize your neurochemistry for peak performance and well-being. Think about it. Your desires, your motivation, your willpower, your performance, even how you feel about yourself and your achievements, they're all deeply intertwined with your brain's delicate chemical balance. Now we're talking about neurotransmitters, those tiny messengers that influence everything from your mood and your motivation to your focus, your sleep, and even your social interactions. Now, the incredible news is that we can actually influence these neurotransmitters through strategic lifestyle changes and natural methods. We can biohack our brains to not just feel good, but to thrive. And this isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about understanding the science and taking a holistic approach to optimize your mind and your body. So, are you ready to unlock your brain's potential and take your happiness to the next level? Let's get started. Imagine your brain as a finely tuned orchestra. Each neurotransmitter is an instrument playing a crucial role in the symphony of your mind. The key to happiness and optimal performance lies in achieving harmonious balance. So let's meet some of the key players. Serotonin, our happy hormone, responsible for mood regulation, calmness, and sleep. And low levels can contribute to depression, anxiety, and OCD. Dopamine, the motivation molecule, linked to reward, pleasure, and drive. While crucial for motivation, too much can actually lead to addiction. And endorphins are natural painkillers and mood elevators. Oxytocin, the love hormone, associated with social bonding, trust, and intimacy. Norepinephrine, the alertness chemical that keeps us focused and energized. GABA, our relaxation chemical that helps us unwind, reduce anxiety. We can influence these neurotransmitters through lifestyle choices. Let's start with the foundation of a healthy brain, your diet. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetable, whole grains, and lean protein, provides the building blocks for optimal neurotransmitter function. But sometimes, our modern diets lack essential nutrients, and that's where supplements come in. Some key players include magnesium glycinate for relaxation and sleep, vitamin D for mood regulation and overall health, zinc for immune function and neurotransmitter production, omega-3 fatty acids for brain health and reducing inflammation, B vitamins, and there are several types, for energy production and cognitive function. Remember, supplements are just that, supplements. They work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. And speaking of a healthy lifestyle, let's get moving. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful tool for optimizing your brain chemistry. Cardio, like running, swimming, or dancing, releases those feel-good endorphins. It boosts serotonin and dopamine, and it helps regulate your stress response. Strength training is crucial too. It builds muscles, of course, which helps regulate blood sugar, and it supports your metabolism and even influences your cognitive state. Plus, it releases myokines, those amazing anti-aging molecules that can reduce pain and improve bone health. Feeling energized? Well, remember, a well-rounded exercise routine is crucial for both your physical and mental well-being. But now it's time to wind down and explore the power of sleep. Sleep is when your body and mind recharge and repair. It's essential for consolidating memories, regulating emotions, and optimizing neurotransmitter function. But quality matters just as much as quantity. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Optimize your sleep environment and consider natural sleep aids like magnesium or chamomile tea even. And if you're struggling with insomnia, check out my other videos for more in-depth strategies. Are you ready to take control of your happiness and become the best version of yourself? Let's put it all together. Biohacking your happiness is a holistic journey. It's about nourishing your body with a healthy diet and exercise, optimizing your sleep, and understanding the power of your mind. By taking a proactive approach to your well-being, you can unlock your full potential, achieve your goals, and live a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these biohacking strategies today and watch your happiness soar. Whatever you want to achieve in life, whomever you want to become, whichever sensations and emotions you want your life to be filled with, you're utterly dependent on these neurochemicals. Now, you need to take this seriously. My best tip as to where to start is with your sleep. How to sleep yourself to success. I've provided links to my playlist below. So until next time, enjoy.